how to fix Google Authenticator not working. So if the app or your codes are not working, you will need to open up the settings on your phone and use the search bar to search for Authenticator. Once you search for Authenticator, select that option for Google Authenticator, and this needs to be turned on. This is very important, background app refresh. So once you turn this on, you can also go back, and there's another thing that we need to do. Use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage here, the very first option, and then you want to sort this by name and just find the Authenticator app. Once you find it, click on Offload App. Once you have offloaded it, then you will need to select Reinstall App. This is just going to verify the integrity of your files, and now Google Authenticator should work without any issues. I hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.